What up, y'all? Boneyard lawn service, and you can see what's in the back of me. Gonna talk about estimates, man, and this what happens, man, when you keep growing in business. So I'm actually waiting on a guy now. Gonna sub this out to him. A bunch of brush back here needs to be done. I get it taken care of, get it knocked out. And first he asked me that I want to rent the equipment to use it, but I don't know how to use the equipment. So I've had quite a few guys let me know that if I play video games before, that equipment is almost the same as playing a video game. So something I'm ready to get into. Drop a comment if you ever had to use a skid steer, not a debris loader, a skid steer or a mini excavator. So got the guy, waiting on him now to come check it out. This is something I've been waiting to look at for a couple weeks. Kept in communication with the lady, so we actually started talking about a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and by me just keeping in communication with her, I was able to be able to hold her off. So they need this thing still done by at least next weekend, hoping to get it done, hoping to get it knocked out, hoping to get this job under my belt. And when I say get it under my belt, even though I'm not doing the job, with the job still getting done, you know, and me being over the job, it's still the same thing as having the job under my belt. So this is part of growing in business, guys, and I got quite a few jobs becoming like this. I got a couple jobs where people want rock removed. I got a couple people want rock delivered, and I'm getting calls about landscape for rock being laid down. So it's part of our business. I got enough zero turns now. Now it's time to invest in a bigger truck. Something that can pull a dump trailer with no problem. Something that could handle the bigger jobs. And you gotta save money. So as you can see, all that brush back there, that ain't nothing I could just do with no equipment I got. And at the same time, this job ain't no couple of dollars. This is a thousands of dollar job. So it makes sense to do what you can to make the money make sense. And even with that, I've just also got through taking down a fence, then putting a new fence up. Now, the fence got took down by me, debris getting hauled off by me, but fence getting put up by somebody else. And so they gave me a chance to sub that job out. I was able to get something, not having to be there, and it's more profitable than a mowing day off what I'm making from it. So when you out here, if you want to stay small and just be a grass cutter, ain't nothing wrong with it. If you want to get into the big money, you're gonna have to take money to make money. That's just what it is. And so let me tell you the difference. This guy wanted to let me rent the machine for $250, but he told me he'd do this for $1,000. So if I knew how to use that machine, automatically, you see where it's at? I'm saving $750 right there. So it's part of it, guys. All right, and I'm also looking at it like how to get myself to 150, 200,000 without a problem. And one thing I can see helping me get there is jobs like this. Jobs like this. Guys, it's still lawn maintenance. This is lawn care, lawn service, landscaping, whatever you want to call it. That's what all this is. And so why would you leave the money on the table? You know, you need to ask yourself that. If you can, if you got the strength and you're able to get up and get it, why would you leave it on the table? I mean, it wouldn't make no sense. You're trying to get to a place to where you're comfortable taking care of your family. Being able to create extra revenue can put that boost and put that cushion up under you. So say if you can handle maybe 10 jobs like this, let's give you a chance to put up an extra 20, 30,000 a year. Is what I'm thinking. That's my thinking right now. If if I can land jobs like these, it's an extra 20-30,000 a year I could put up and have a cushion for the next year, or have it to reinvest. Because I always said, I heard this from somebody before, your business needs money. Money is like oxygen to the business. Without the money, your business is gonna die. You can't breathe. You gotta have the money. And so, it takes money to make money. Now, let's get to the point of buying one of these pieces of equipment. Should you buy one of these pieces of equipment? Now, if you get the jobs to where it makes sense, yes, you should buy one. I've got a quote coming up for a demolition job, for a small demolition job on a garage. Like I say, I got a rock job I was offered. Also, let's see, the rock job. Got a big landscaping job coming up. I got 2 new commercials that I got. So, it's something to consider for me now. If I could get that equipment, and I could have that equipment, and I could do 10 jobs like this a year, it almost pays for itself. And when it's not in use, I could rent it out. Another thing with getting this equipment though, bigger truck, bigger trailer, you have to have it. Without that, you can't pull it. So I'm trying to figure out a way right now to be able to rent this equipment until I can buy this equipment, because I'm getting so many calls for these type of jobs, getting calls for landscaping type of jobs. Had a driveway I turned down last year, man, and a buddy told me don't ever do that again. He said, you could have called me, man, I would have FaceTimed you. I would have showed you how to use that machine, and that thing ain't as hard as you think it is. So things like that. Find a way to become a problem solver, and find a way to get yourself out of the gutters. Like I say, this right here, these jobs, man, you do 2 of these a month, you do 1 of these a month, that's a whole mowing schedule right there. So we're gonna talk about lawn care on this channel, but we also gonna talk about elevating and doing what makes sense. And me going through what I'm going through, 5 years in it, I love mowing grass, but I also love the cash, and trying to figure out a way to get even mow and make myself even more profitable each year, and also get myself in position where I can be able to do 1 job that covers a whole month worth of mowing. Think about it. You mowing every day 50, 60, 70, 100 yards a week, and it's a guy out there who's doing 1 job, and that's your whole mowing route for the month. So just something to think about, guys, and get out of here, Boneyard Lawn Service. I'll keep you updated if I get the job or not. Let you know how I go down, man. Keep grinding. Boneyard Lawn Service. If you ain't checked it out, check out Mo Trapping Podcast Tuesday nights. Have a link up here for you. Get at you in the next video.